guys see two breadfruit them here. Two nice breadfruit. Then breadfruit you pick from Saturday. Cause as I always say, I like when time breadfruit them turn when them start ripe, because as I always say, the sugar level go up in it at that time, and you're supposed to know that. Right? So it's a time for roast them breadfruit here. I'm gonna roast breadfruit them outside and complete the process inside, because right now I don't know if the weather are gonna let me complete everything outside, because a big black cloud of farm up. And the phone, they tell me say thunderstorm today, so I'm not risk it. Nah, risk and do it outside, and then I forgot run inside when time the rain a come. So I do take the breadfruit part outside, and then I finish the process inside, like cook the ackee and all inside. Yeah, so remember guys, leave a like on the video and comment below and tell me what you think about every day here. You see me? Yeah. And share the video too. Make sure you share the video. Help the channel grow. Help people know about me and them thing there, see me? The channel for grow, man. And that not happen if you don't share the video and them thing there. Even the sticks thing kinda wet, they make cold, so I not use them because I know I'm give me trouble right about now. So my light up now. But first, want some bram, some wood chip. So use the plastic, you know. Alright guys, so see, jump everything now. So we can just, as in always see me do, me always pack some stick on it. So by the time them stick a burn out, breadfruit basically roast. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick the ackee now because the ackee not pick already. And the saltfish already on the fire, I boil out the salt out of it, you see me? So journey along, we're gonna pick the ackee now. See how ackee the guys. One more right here, so, and some up and limb out here, so you see, but what I'm gonna do, my pick man can reach because I don't do want much. Alright guys, so I ackee this, don't pick out and all that. The saltfish finish boil, right? Put in some water now to go and cool, and we put on back some water on the fire to cook the ackee. And some people actually cook the ackee and boil the saltfish in the same water, you know. Instead of putting the saltfish, you just throw in the ackee same time. Yeah, but I now do it so today. And see, we have a plate here now guys. So this is gonna be the burger or the sandwich, whatever you call it, right? And so everything are going to the ackee, whatever ackee. So you have the scallion, no, and again, yes, scallion, may I say, scallion with thyme, tomato, sweet pepper, onion, and some put garlic in the water ready for boil up. Whoa. Yeah man, service garlic. Whoa. Why move with the story? Yes, so we're going guys, ackee them here, finish boil, water hot now, and see vegetable in here, we're throwing in the ackee, and see the plant in the mirror. You already cut up already, I'm going to check on the breadfruit now and see what I want for them. Take them off in roast. I'm going to say one roast already, so I'm see finish on roast. Then bring them in and all that. A little bit of oil, you see me? Set my turn inside fish here, guys. Right now, this can throw between the breadfruit same way. So right now, this can breadfruit nice. I roast them nice. So you can throw in at here now. But guys, all who know what new cheese to follow, saltfish at you can leave it in the comment section. Tell me what I go on, you see me? But I'm also going to do some research for myself and just Google it and take a screenshot and put on the screen now. For all who don't know, can know. Yeah, so I'm showing Ackee now. Ackee go in. So Ackee them pretty guys. Just take out them garlic there. Just take them out. Not true. Yeah. Some add in black pepper and little Maggi season. Alright guys, that's it. This almost finished. And when you make this, you don't want too much oil because you don't want when you put the Ackee between the breadfruit, oil run out. You want a little bit of oil, this will add up the Ackee and fry up the vegetables. You see me? So you want to turn down the fire. Little bit of oil, turn down the fire, you want it slow cook, you don't want enough oil. Honestly I go take up the Ackee separate from the oil and try to turn off the oil after it, make the oil drain off, whichever way you choose. Yeah man guys, I planted them this. Done for now. The planting kind of overripe, you know. I'm not too like planting overripe because it suck too much of the oil. So, but it gets sweet I guess and nice about suck too much oil. So I peel the breadfruit. Alright guys, so I'm going to set up right about now. As you know, cut the breadfruit, right? And take out the heart. So you hold left on the breadfruit. You see, I have lettuce now. I can spread lettuce in here so. But I have none right now, finished yesterday. Spread lettuce in here so. If you can hold it, so I use a piece of breadfruit now. See I can use it on the planting and really cark out the hole. You see me? So if you guys can think of a better way to do it, you can just leave it in the comments and tell me. Right? Because this idea just come to mind this morning. I'm just jump on the same time. I never really have much time to think about it. Alright, so again, you know guys, I'm gonna put it top. See? The whole give me a fight, but this is it guys. See? Ackee and saltfish burger. I call it burger, yeah man. Yeah. One thing though, the breadfruit, they want to little bit longer. But it's still good save me some shell on this right now guys. Come below and tell me look. Don't like it? So come below and tell me what you think about this guys. Share the video to who you think might be interested in these type of videos. Or could their mother, father, sister, brother, auntie, anybody. Your family them overseas can share it to them and all that because them love authentic Jamaican stuff. Yeah, and this freshly picked Ackee, freshly picked breadfruit, not really slick, I them pick them Saturday. We go and turn because someone like them and all that. Yeah man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and make sure say you turn on the bell. Put bell on all to be notified whenever they drop. And for the IG Jeff876 and the Asset Adventures. The link to the page of them in the description, so scroll along, click it and give me a follow. Guys, before I close out the video, I have to go now. I feedback on everything while I go on, right? And my reaction and I'm think about this. If I make it next time, I'm gonna put in breadfruit for turn. Cause you know say you put on for turn, they get softer. Right? And I'm gonna try to live up it. It does broke because them pretty soft because when they put them for ripe, right? And I'm trying to think about a way. Really put more plan in it. You see me? Cause I say, they look up this morning, the idea flashed in my head. I say, I'm gonna do it. I never really put enough thought into it, right? And also, more want to check out Ren's press on nails. I put on Instagram up on the screen right now. So all the girls them will love them thing they can just go over there and give her a follow and check her out and all that. Yeah man, so just do it right man. And I think to sell like perfumes or cologne, whichever you call it, and like lotions and them nice stuff there. Yeah man, so only can check her out man. I'ma say Ren's press on nail on the screen. Just go over there and give her a follow and check her out her page. Yeah, so look more guys, catch you in the next video.